In this video, you will learn how to trim imported contour lines. First, let us import the file containing the contour lines. After the contour lines are imported, let us search for the area we are interested in. Now let us switch to an empty drawing file. With the Trim 3D Curves command, we can easily draw a polygon in the ground view. After pressing Escape, this polygon is used to trim the contour lines. When hiding the drawing file with the imported contour lines, we can see the result of our computation.